So hello guys, we are back in another video and today we're going to play Free Fire. So in this video I thought, I'm sorry for uploading not too long. Sorry. I'm sorry that I did not upload video for so long because one day I was in a guild called The Boss. Alright, The Boss Guild. Then after a week I got one which is called, I will show you where is it, which is called a custom room card. I got so excited, I used it, did not think about the video that I should make a video. I was so excited because of course if you get in like what is it called, like custom card, then you are so excited, like come on, like it's so good, like. But after it I was like, the next week if I get it, I'm going to make a video on it because this time I forgot about the video. So it is the next week and what I have nothing because I was kicked out of the boss guild. I was so angry that I was going to make a video. My brother got it today. But he's played it with his friends. So I was like, let's play after some time. He was like, no. So I was like, okay, we'll play. So I am thinking of making a guild. So should I make a guild? I think so. I should create a guild. I have already 12,000 diamonds. No, sorry, 12,000 coins of Free Fire. I have 8 because I played like classic. So I played classic and I had so many gifts that I had to put down. I put it down and I got like one from each. Like actually I got one from each. But from some gifts I also did get like a little bit, like like a lot, like 10 rupees, or you can say like 10 FF coins, or like you can say like 20 or 5 sometimes. So yeah, but I had so many, but what happened? So I'm going to create a guild. I will tell you guys the guild ID in the in the, like, what is it called, like description. There will be a description. I will put approval, and then level default, rank default, region default. Wait, what is this region? What can I do with this? No, default. And what can I do now? Name, what should I keep? What should I keep the name? What should I keep a name? Yes, I think so. I have an idea. I should go to the Google and I should go to the Google, like, then there are like I will search guild cool names. Then there will be like a whole website, I guess. I will copy the name from there and come and paste over here. Okay, so I will see you guys when I have done that. Okay, so guys, I have copied one name from the Google and I will show you where is it. Let me create the guild and region default approval, and then slogan I will do it afterwards. Can I do it afterwards? So I will show you guys now. So I'm going to paste it. This, why it's not coming? This is the guild. Why it's not coming? Can I please? No. Okay, I will just keep like this. So the guild ID I will tell you first. Let me do it. This is called, the name is Wanted, and the slogan would be, let me write it, come join this guild. Okay, so this is the slogan, so it's perfect. So let me create it. Just a second. I don't know why, but I'm playing on PC. It is very annoying, I'm going to be honest. So okay, guild name already exists, so I think so I should what should I do? I think so I will do one thing. Wait a second. I will. Why it's lagging so bad? I don't know. The sound is coming perfect, but now let me come over here, do this, then dot, and then dot and then H. What is happening? So MH stands for like, you know, like M for mock and H for hawk, so that's why I kept it. So it's not entering. Why? Okay, so I hope so it's correct. Did it? Okay, this is, I have created this guild. If you guys want to come and join this guild, we can also play together. We will. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys the way to, like, you know, like earn, like what is it called? I forgot what it's called. Like, I always forget. Like custom room card. Yeah, custom room card. So you see this line, this white line. So you have to fill this all. Then with playing with your members, and especially it fills on Friday. So if you play with the guild members, this thing will come. This thing will like be like raising up and again. Then when it's full, every Friday you play, every Saturday you get the custom room card. So that's how I got it. I don't know about anyone. This is the way I got it. So let's see what happens now. If you guys want to join this guild, I will tell you the ID. Where is the ID? I don't know from where. Guild info, and the guild ID is 1016197383. So this is the guild ID. If you want to join this guild, just come on and join this guild. I hope you want to join this guild, and I hope so. I will tell my brother also to join this. Where is he? Let me see first. I don't know why it's lagging so much. As you guys can see, I pressed it, but still it is like lagged so much. And you can see my like suit. I got this suit, like, you know, from, wait, can I get this fragment crate too? Okay, I did not know about that. So where should I how can I like invite my brother? I don't know. This? No. From where? So let's just leave it. I will ask my brother. So guys, in this video I'm going to play an match of Clash Squad. I hope you guys come and join my guild. To get custom room card, you come with me and join the guild. Alright, when you have joined the guild, enter a message over here. I'm a subscriber and I have joined the guild. I have joined the guild. So that's how I know that you have joined the guild. I will approve you. Then you join. Then I can also play with you to increase the, you know, that dog tag counts. So that we get you know, like you will receive that custom room card over here in the mail. Now I don't have, just because I have already collected it. So let's just start with the match and let's see what happens in the match. I hope something happens, just because I really want to win this match. And also I have improved. Okay, so you guys must be wondering from where did I get this character. I got this character, you know, like there was an anniversary of Free Fire, so they were giving like an free character to everybody, not DJ Alok, but all the other characters. So you have to claim one from them. So I claimed this color because I really like color. So yeah, I really like it. So guys, I really want DJ Alok. Can you guys gift me that? I will add you, so that, you know, like just give me DJ Alok. Okay, can you guys give me DJ Alok or no? So guys, for your information, I have improved a bit. So I don't know what's happening with the texture packs of this game. So let's just continue now. Why it's lagging so much? Okay, we will go over here now, and I think we should go over here. This dude has DJ Alok. So guys, I really want DJ Alok. Can you give me, please guys? Can you please give me DJ Alok? Okay, I will. Come on, get knocked now. That's my kill. Come on. Oh my god, that's my kill. Okay, I will kill him. I'm running away. Bye bye. Like, actually I'm running away, just because. How is everybody getting knocked? I think by the zone, I guess. We will see what happens then. They are standing too much over there, so that's why I think that they are getting killed by the zone. So I think so I should use medkit, I think. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm done for. I have lost this match, or you can say we have lost this match. Okay, bye bye. Because I am noob. I told you. But when I have like a Thompson or something, I will like him. I could not. I could not be early for some reason. So like when I have like something like really good like Thompson or P90 or MP5 or something, I play really good for some reason. So we will just see what happens also in the match. I bought this what is it called, like Desert Eagle, just because I like it, just because you know like I have not won, so I will go from here just because I want to, and there are so many people coming from here, so I can just kill them from here. So that's why I really want to come from here. So let's just see what happens in the match. I hope I win. See, somebody is coming. I told you I will hit him, I will kill him. Just see this. That's my kill. Come on! AN94. Can you guys please revive me? They will not, I'm pretty sure about that. They will not revive me. What is this? I revive everybody. Like actually I revive everybody. Everybody in the team I revive, but no one revives me for some reason. Every time by taking risks and all the things. But no one revives me. Okay, kill him. Okay, he knocked him. The thing I hate in this Free Fire is that you cannot jump while like, you know. Okay, kill him. Okay, really good about that. So I think I hate the thing in this game just because what I hate is, you know, like when you jump and you cannot shoot. That's allowed in PUBG but not in this. So I want to play this, but at the same time I don't want to play this. So I will buy this AN94 just because I really want to, and buy this helmet. So let's just see what happens now. Okay, we are playing in this one. Okay, I thought they were playing something else. That's why I bought AN94. Okay, we are done again. I will not get any kill. In front of you guys, I don't get any kill. But like when I'm playing with my brother or something, I get like 8 kills or something. What is this? Like actually, are you kidding me? I will kill him. I will give him. The bullets are not even hitting him. I will try to. Come on! What is happening? Okay, knocked him. You know, this gun sucks so much. This gun is the worst gun there could be in this whole match or game. Come on, takes all the things. Okay, I have this now. Okay, we are done. I told you. I don't have glue wall, so that's why. I don't even know how to play with glue wall. Okay, so no excuses. So I'm going to be honest that I don't know how to play with glue wall. So I'm going to buy this P90 and this helmet and this thing. I mean this vest level 2 and this. That's it. That's all I'm going to buy. I don't like to play with glue wall for some reason. I hate it, guys. Can someone of you give me DJ Alok? That would be really nice of you. I know nobody is going to give, but still, can you give me? Did I say it in the last video as well as? I don't know about that, but I think so. I did say it. Come on. Wait. I'm waiting for them. Wait. I will kill him. Okay, knock. I will kill him first so that no one revives him, and if I die, my game is lagging. Okay. I will go over there because what is this? I shot him too much. I also pressed the button, like, you know, like to shoot. I also did press it. Will I get my kill? Please get me. I get my kill. Okay, headshot. Okay, I did get it. So let's just see what is happening now. I died. So let's just see what happens in the next thing now. Okay, we got defeated. Okay, I will like them. Now. Let's see what happens now. So okay, what should I buy now? I think so I should buy this thing. Yeah, we have only one and they have 3. Wow, wonderful, isn't that? So going to buy this and this and this, and that's it. I'm going to buy. That's all it. So let's just see what happens now. I hope we win this round, because if we don't, they win. So I hope they don't win. So let's just see what happens in this round. I think so I should go from here, just because, you know, like taking cover and going is better like than rushing. So that's why. I think so I saw one person over there. Okay, I will shooting him. He thought like someone is shooting him from somewhere else, but I am shooting him. He thought that my teammates are shooting him, but instead I was shooting him. So that's what he thought. One knock. Okay, I got knocked out. What is this, yaar? Okay, what is this? I cannot even play this properly now. They have one knocked, which I knocked, and one other person in our team. And as you guys can see, like, okay, kill him. Okay, great. Okay. It's really good that he killed him, just because otherwise they would have won. It's better. And they have 3? No, they don't have 3. Like, they don't have 3. I can tell you that. I will buy this. My brother called this AUG, while it is AUG. If it's AUG, tell me in the comment down below. If it's AUG, gap between these 3 alphabets, and if it's not, then tell me. So we are going to buy this gun. Okay, I took a lot of time. Buy this. What? Okay. I hate this. I only have an helmet now. So we will wait for them to come over here. I think so they are already here, because I can see in the map. This is okay, let me kill him. Why is this gun shooting by its own self? See, I am not even pressing, I swear. It is shooting by its own. Come on! What is happening? I'm not shooting it. Yo, my bullets are all gone now. What is this happening? Okay, let's see what is going to happen. I was quiet because I was too nervous that someone is going to come from behind and kill me. And let's see what is happening now. Where are they? That's my kill. Okay. I also got it. I got nothing. Woo! Okay, it's okay. It is okay. No problem. There is no problem. No problem. So I'm going to buy this vest, I guess, and this Horizon line. I love Horizon line. So it is purchased. So let's see. Should I buy repair kit? I guess so. I will buy 2, because it's 3v3. I mean, not 3v3. It's you know, like they have 3, we have 3. There is no use of, like, you know, not spending money and saving it. So that's why I'm spending it. So I will wait for them over here, I guess. Where are they? Are they coming from here? I think so I should go more in front. Okay, one knock. I will kill him all. I cannot speak when I'm like, you know, like when I am like playing, and like, you know, what can I say about this? Like when I'm playing some game which is like very like rage game, so I cannot speak. So we have won this round for sure. Okay, I killed him. Great. We went from losing to like winning. Okay, what he has? Nothing. So the way I celebrate it is like my game lag. Why this happens? Okay, it came back. What? Okay, throw this all. The way I celebrate it, it's like a jumping and then shooting, but my game lagged for some reason. When I'm making a video, my game lags, but when I'm not, it does not at all. I mean, sometimes it does, but sometimes it does not at all. I have 6, this dude has 8, and let's see what they were 3. Okay, it was unfair, but still, come on. So I think so this is it for today's video, because I have made a guild, I have made so many things, I have done so many things. So that's why I think this is it for today's video, just because it is going to be a long video. So I guess this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, subscribe and share this video, so that you know, like, some people get into my guild and all of us get. And did you know that fact that one person get a custom room card in a guild? So then if there are like 25 persons in a guild, so if one of them gets, and what it call, like, I forget every single time, custom room card, so the other 24 persons will also get it. Did you know that? So if you guys want it, come in my guild, just because we can play even together. If you want, we can play together. If you want on Friday, we can play together, I guess so. And yeah, I think that this is about today's video. Hope you guys like. What is this? Camouflage paint. What happens with this?